Hello everyone and welcome to Long's Toys. Have a Kamen Rider Ghost review here for you. This is the Nightingale Eyecon. As you can see, is part of a candy toy assortment. This is the front of the box. On the side here it shows the other ones that were available in this assortment. Have a couple of normal ones from the show, and you have a couple of Legend Rider ones here on the side. Back of the box is pretty boring. Not much going on there either. There's the bottom. There's the top. So I'm going to pop this out of the box and we'll take a look. So here is the Nightingale Eyecon. As you can see, it's very white. Pretty much all white. There's the QR code, pin system. On the top here it says FN for Florence Nightingale. And then it just says Nightingale underneath here. It doesn't have a number because it's not one of the 15 used on the show. So when you first click, it just says FN for Florence Nightingale. Then there is the look of the face. It took me a while, but I realized that her eyes are a stethoscope. Can't believe it took me so long to figure that out. I didn't really know what was going on there. But that's kind of neat. And then that is a kind of med kit exploding open with rays of power. So that's interesting. So we'll go ahead, we'll check it out and see the sounds that it makes in the Ghost Driver. Alright, so here we go. First click. Pop it open. So I really like that little jingle with the siren sound. I think that's really neat. If we go ahead and do it one more time, we'll have the Omega Drive.
Nightingale, Omega Drive.
And then we'll do the Omedimum. So I think this is a pretty cool little icon here. It's definitely super white, so I feel like it might get dirty, which I'm a little nervous about, but overall, I really like it. I think the jingle it plays with a little siren sound is really cool, and I really like the stethoscope forming the eyes. I think that's a pretty cool little feature there. So I recommend it if you can find it for a decent price. Probably at this point, your best bet is eBay. Some other people, sometimes they show up on random websites like it came from Japan and things like that. So good luck hunting one down if you're interested. Hopefully you won't have to pay crazy prices. I think I paid somewhere in the area of $20 with shipping and everything from eBay, so not terrible. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please like and share this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you've enjoyed this look at the Nightingale Eyecon from Kamen Rider Ghost, and thanks for watching.